Hi, today I'm making an Asian cucumber salad. This was something I've been wanting to make for my husband for a while. He loves cucumbers. So we begin with two large cucumbers, and I'm going to slice and peel these cucumbers about an eighth of an inch thick. And so it makes a nice salad. So I'm also using a quarter cup of thinly sliced red onion, an eighth of a cup of cilantro, and just a couple of tablespoons of fresh chives. And I'm going to add those herbs and onions back to the salad or to the cucumbers. It's going to become the salad. I'm adding a clove of garlic, very finely chopped, as well as about a half a teaspoon of minced ginger. Now, because these are large cucumbers, I'm using quite a bit of salt and pepper. So that's about a teaspoon and a half of salt and about a half a teaspoon of pepper. You can add as much as you like. Next, I'm going to go ahead and begin the Asian style dressing. Now, these are the ingredients, but you're going to begin with about a quarter cup of red wine vinegar. To that, you're going to add a quarter cup of sweet chili sauce. And we're going to also use about a half a teaspoon of crushed chili flakes. Next, I've decided to add about another quarter teaspoon of minced garlic to the salad. And this is before I finish up my dressing. I just realized I forgot to put that in there. But next, I'm adding a quarter teaspoon of oregano. And once I have the oregano and the chili sauce and the red wine vinegar all combined, then I'm going to go ahead and just pour that over the cucumber salad. Okay, and so it will make about a half a cup of salad dressing, and we're going to just toss that and make sure all of the ingredients are covered. We're going to chill that for about 20 minutes, and it's ready to serve. It holds up pretty well, and it is tasty. It is a very flavorful salad and perfect for your summer barbecue, 4th of July party. You're looking for something different to bring to your cookout. This is a perfect recipe for that. Enjoy.